Have you ever found out the person you trusted most was lying to you? I did, on my wedding day. The woman who held my bouquet, who wiped my tears, who said she was my best friend, she had a secret. A secret that broke my world. Her name is Sade. She was my maid of honor. But suddenly, I discovered she was also his wife. My husband, Chidi, was married to my best friend. The truth came out in the hotel lobby. Everyone was watching. My perfect day turned into a nightmare. How could she do this? How could they both betray me? My name is Amara. Today is my wedding day. I am at the Grand Horizon Resort. It is a very expensive hotel with a beautiful garden. My dress is white and has small pearls. I feel like a queen. My best friend, Sade, is with me. She is helping me get ready. She smiles and says, "You look perfect, Amara." I trust her completely. We have been friends since we were children. We made a blood oath when we were 10 years old. We cut our fingers and mixed our blood. We promised to always be honest with each other. We promised to never lie. I thought that oath was sacred. My fiancé, Chidi, is a handsome man. He has a good job in the city. He is kind and gentle. He asked me to marry him 6 months ago. I said yes immediately. Sade was the first person I told. She was so happy for me. She helped me plan everything. The wedding starts in 2 hours. The concierge is busy with the guests. The lobby is full of flowers. Everything smells sweet. Sade adjusts my veil. Her hands are shaking a little. I think she is just nervous for me. Are you okay? I ask her. I am fine, she says, but her voice is not steady. She looks away. I do not understand why she is acting strange. But I push the thought away. Today is my happy day. Nothing can go wrong. Also, I think the ceremony is beautiful. We are in the garden of the hotel. The sun is setting. Chidi looks at me with love. We say our vows. I promise to love him forever. He promises the same. Sade stands next to me. She holds my bouquet. Her eyes are wet with tears. I think they are happy tears. After the ceremony, we have a party in the big reception hall. There is music and food. Everyone is dancing. Chidi and I dance our first dance. It is perfect. Then, I go to the bathroom to fix my makeup. Sade comes with me. In the bathroom, she is very quiet. She looks at her phone. I see a message on the screen. It says, "I love you." The name on the phone is not clear. I ask her, "Who is that from?" She quickly puts the phone away. "No one," she says. "Just a friend." I feel a cold feeling in my stomach. Something is wrong. But I do not want to believe it. Sade is my best friend. She would never hurt me. We made a blood oath. When we return to the party, I see Chitty talking to an old man. The old man is the hotel's concierge. The concierge says, "Mr. Chitty, your reservation for the honeymoon suite is confirmed." Chitty looks nervous. He says, "Thank you." But why is he nervous? It is our wedding night. The reservation should be normal. I walk to Chitty. I take his hand. "Is everything okay?" I ask. He smiles, but the smile does not reach his eyes. "Everything is perfect," he says. But I do not believe him. I look at Sade across the room. She is watching us. Her face is pale. The party ends. Guests start to leave. The lobby is quiet now. Only a few people are left. Chitty says he needs to talk to the concierge about the checkout time. I wait for him near the fountain. Then, I see Sade. She is not leaving. She is walking towards the elevators. I follow her. I want to ask her why she is staying. The hotel has no vacancy tonight. All rooms are full. I hear her talking on her phone. Her voice is low. "Yes, I am coming up to the suite," she says. "He is waiting for me." My heart stops. What suite? Who is waiting? I run to the elevator. The doors are closing. I see Sade inside. She looks at me. Our eyes meet. For a second, I see guilt in her eyes. Then the doors close. I press the button for the elevator. It is too slow. I take the stairs. I am running up 3 flights of stairs in my wedding dress. My veil falls off. I do not care. I need to know the truth. I reach the 3rd floor. The honeymoon suite is at the end of the hall. The door is slightly open. I hear voices. One voice is Chitty's. The other is Sade's. I push the door open. I see them. Chitty and Sade. They are standing very close. Chitty has his arm around her. He is not surprised to see me. He looks tired. Sade is crying. What is happening? I whisper. My voice is shaking. Chitty speaks. His voice is cold. Amara, you should not be here. He looks at Sade. Tell her, he says, Sade cannot look at me. She is sobbing. She says, "We tried to tell you. We tried so many times." She takes a breath. Amara. Chidi and I, we got married 2 years ago. In a small ceremony. No one knew. He is my husband. The floor seems to move under my feet. The hotel amenity, a glass of water on the table, falls and shatters. Just like my heart. My best friend. My husband. The blood oath. All lies. Why? I cry. Why would you do this to me? Sade finally looks up. Her eyes are full of pain. Because I was afraid to lose you, she whispers. And I was afraid to lose him. I look at Chidi. He says nothing. He just stands there, holding my best friend, his wife. The betrayal is complete. I am alone in the honeymoon suite, with two people I trusted with my life. I stood there for a long time. The silence was loud. Then, I took off my wedding ring. I put it on the table. The marriage is over, I said. My voice was stronger than I felt. And so is our friendship. I walked out of the suite. I walked through the empty lobby. The receptionist looked at me, but I did not stop. I left the hotel. I left my old life behind. The lesson I learned is this: love and friendship must be built on truth. A promise, even a blood oath, means nothing if it is not kept. People who lie to you do not deserve your trust. It hurts to discover betrayal. It feels like your world is ending. But you are stronger than the pain. You can walk away. You can start again. I lost a husband and a friend that day. But I found something more important. I found the truth. And I found myself.